In this session we will find out distance between 2 points. Let's take one example. What is the distance between the points A 4, 5 and B 8, 8? First of all, locate these 2 points. So I have located already A 4, 5 and B 8, 8. To find out distance between these 2 points, I join them and I will construct a right angle triangle like this. Let's say this point is C. First of all, find out the coordinates of C. So the x coordinate of C is same as the x coordinate of B, which is 8. And the y coordinate of C is same as the y coordinate of A, which is 5. So the coordinates of C is 8, 5. Now to apply Pythagoras, I want distance between A to C and B to C. Now the distance from A to C is 1, 2, 3, 4 units, or you can say the difference between x coordinates of C and A. So x coordinate is 8. This is 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4, because total from here to here is 8 and here to here is 4. So the difference between these 2 points is 8 minus 4, which is 4. Similarly, here to here is 8 and here to here is 5. So the difference between B to C is 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. Now apply Pythagoras. AB is equal to square root of AC square plus BC square, which is equal to square root of AC is 4, 4 square is 16, BC is 3, 3 square is 9, which is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So the distance from A to B is 5 units. Applying this algorithm in general form, we have another coordinate axis. Let's we have a point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So we will construct a right angle triangle again as we did in earlier. C, the coordinates of C is, this is x2 and this is y1. Now again the difference from A to C is x2 minus x1, because from here to here is x2 and here to here is x1. So this is x, this point is this distance is x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1. Similarly, this is from here to here is y2, from here to here is y1. So this is y2 minus y1. Again applying Pythagoras, so we will get AB square, that is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AB square equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is our distance formula. So if we wish to find out distance of any 2 point, we don't have to use always we don't have to construct right angle triangle. We can apply this formula directly. How? Let's take one example. If I have to find out distance between A minus 5, 7 and B minus 3, 12, I will apply the distance formula AB, that is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here my x2 is minus 3. The minus 3 minus minus 5, because x1 is minus 5. Minus 3 minus minus 5 का whole square plus y2 is 12, y1 is 7. So y2 minus y1, 12 minus 7 whole square, which is minus 3 plus 5, 2. 2 का square plus 12 minus 7, 5. 5 square. So this is 4 plus 25, which is root 29. That's it.